G'day, Paul here from Suzuki. We're showing you, as we have in the other videos, our 9-inch unit we've fitted to the Suzuki Jimny. You can see it's really cool, nice bright colours, simple, clear, easy to use. Now, one of the features you'll see in ads for all sorts of manufacturers, not just our fine product, is a quick shot of Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on these devices. And generally they're all a wide connection and it's really cool. They're great products, but we've given you something special in the Jimny range. We've given you wide Android Auto. So all you have to do, once you've paired your phone up, you get wide Android Auto. And to prove it, here's the phone here we're using. Kyle's young fella there, Jake, and his dog Charlie. And you can see there's no cable connected whatsoever. Go to the home screen, it's responsive. You can go onto Spotify, you can watch Kyle's taste in music, which some of it's, to be fair, he'll tell you his daughter's onto it. And you can use your Google Maps, you can look at podcasts, and it's all done via voice control. So you can ask it, as you do on the Apple product, you can ask it to take you to different places. Like you can say, hey Google, take me to the nearest ATM.
All right, I'm setting your destination to Westpac Smart ATM on Bishopdale Court.
Done. It's as simple as that. And once you get in the habit of it, you can do everything via voice controls. It'll read out your text messages, you can send text messages, you can keep everything smooth and your eyes straight ahead, focused on the road as you should be. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.